Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can make this comic book effect in Canva. First up, open your Canva and make sure that you select this black and white stationary notes A4 document. Now here on the background, we're going to change the background color into black. Next, we're going to click on the apps right here at the bottom left. And then at the search bar, search for FrameMaker. Now as you can see the results, we're going to select the first one right here. And then here, click on the open button right here at the bottom. And once done, you just have to wait for a few seconds here and you'll be taken into this page. Now select the second frame. And then we're going to adjust the frame here. 6 on the side. And 7 on the right side. And then click on Add to Design at the bottom. Next, we're going to create an opposite one. So we're going to drag it over here. And again, 6 on the right side and 7 on the left side. And then click Add to Design. And then another one here, we're going to create at the middle. So create at the middle here. 3 and 4 on the left side. And click on the Add to Design button. And then we can just put it at the middle. And then select all the frame. And then we can just drag on the corner to adjust and fit into the box right here. So again, select all the frames and we can readjust this one here. Now once done, as you can see, we can now go to Elements and go to the search bar and type comic. And then go to Photos. And basically select 3 colors here. So the first one will be like red. So put it on the first frame and adjust this one. So you can follow the steps to create a comic book effect. Third one will be like color blue. And then at the middle, we're going to select the yellow one. And then again, adjust this. So it depends on your preference. This is just an example. And once done, then click on the share button at the top right. And then click on the download button. Select PNG, check this transparent background, then click download. So you have to wait for a few seconds here. And once you downloaded this, click save. As you can see, you can click on add page at the top right here. Once done, drag the image and upload to Canva. And then get the image. For the second page, you can basically just adjust again this one here. You can drag here. And then, right? And then once you've done, you can now go to another option, which is going to edit photo. Click on shadows and outline. Select the color into white. There you go. Next, we're going to click add page and go to element and search for man image or any image that you want to put in. So basically, for example, I want to use this one. And then select image, click edit photo, video remover. And then you can readjust or resize it according to the second page. So basically you need to fit into the second page. You can basically drag it to see on the second page what will it be looks like. So you can readjust the size. For example, you want here. So you can just drag on the corners to resize this one. And then here, select the image, click edit photo and adjust. Find the contrast to 100, saturation to -100, and clarity to 100. Next, we're going to elements and search for halftone. And basically go to graphics and find the design that we want. For example, this one here. So click and adjust the size. So there you go. As you can see, we have just added this halftone. Once done, click on the share button at the top right. Click download. Select the third page. Click done and click download. You have to wait for a few seconds here. Click save. And finally, go back to the second page. Then we can just go to the image that we have just downloaded, drag it, and upload to Canva. Pick up the image and just put it over here, and then click on the edit photo, then use BG remover. So as you can see, and then we can resize it right here. So I want it to put into the bottom left corner like this, and resize it. Resize it more, and then we're going to duplicate. Go to the first one, go to edit photo, and then we're going to use some effects like duotone and basically use the sea blue. Make sure to adjust it into 100 intensity, and then use the second image and put it right over here. So make sure that you can just resize it and make sure the first image will be your shadow. So like this one. And then what we can do is we can add shadow for this one. Edit photo, then click on shadows and select outline. Click on the color and select this white. Then we can just basically adjust the size like this, right? And then again, adjust this one to make the first frame like your shadow. So there you have it. And once you've done, you just need to click on the share button at the top right hand corner, and then make sure you have click on download, and then select PNG and select the second page, click done and click download. So that's how you basically create this comic book effect. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.